The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, western Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, northern Titus County in northeastern Texas, Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nashoba to near Hugo Lake State Park to near Powderly to 10 miles northeast of Big Creek Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Hagensport, Bucks Elder, Idabel, Broken Bow, DeKalb, Bogota, US 259 and I-30 intersection, Dalby Springs, Wilkerson, Bagwell, Manchester, Wright City, Valiant, Detroit, DePort, Talco, Avery, Millerton, and Annona. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until